Welcome to the Englishstorywell channel, your ultimate destination for captivating stories that enhance your English learning journey. Here, we believe that stories are not just a form of entertainment, but a powerful tool to improve your language skills. Let's go to started.
Anna was a high school student who wanted to improve her English speaking skills. Her teacher had suggested that one of the best ways to get better was through daily practice. But Anna didn't know where to start. She had tried speaking in front of the mirror, reading English books, and even watching English shows with subtitles. Yet, she still felt nervous when talking to people in English. One day, her teacher introduced her to a new method called shadowing. It was simple but very effective. Anna was excited to try it. What is shadowing? Shadowing is a technique where you listen to someone speaking and then repeat what they say immediately after. You follow their tone, pronunciation, and speed. It's like copying, but it helps you sound more natural in English. Anna learned that she could practice shadowing with many kinds of English sentences. Her teacher gave her a list of common daily sentences that people use in conversation. Anna decided to practice these sentences every day, starting with basic sentences. The first day, Anna started with simple greetings and phrases. Good morning. How are you? I'm doing well. Thank you. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Anna repeated these sentences while listening to a recording. She found it fun because she could hear herself improving each time she practiced. The more she practiced, the more confident she felt when saying them in real conversations. Practicing conversations at home. At home, Anna decided to practice with her younger brother, James. She used the daily sentences in their normal conversations. Anna, good morning, James. How are you today? James, I'm fine, thanks. What about you? Anna felt happy. These were the sentences she had been practicing. The conversation felt natural, and she was starting to use English more easily. Moving to more complex sentences. As Anna got better, she started practicing longer sentences. Can you help me with this? I need to finish my homework before dinner. Let's meet at 3 p.m. tomorrow. I'm looking for a new book to read. I would like to order a coffee, please. She practiced these sentences while doing different activities. For example, when she was at the cafe, she used her English sentences to order coffee. At the library, she practiced asking for help finding a book. Shadowing conversations in different situations. Anna's teacher suggested she practice sentences that could be used in specific situations. She learned to shadow conversations about shopping, dining out, and asking for directions. Shopping sentences. How much does this cost? Do you have this in a smaller size? I'm looking for a red dress. Can I pay by card? Thank you for your help. Anna loved practicing these sentences when she went shopping with her mom. She practiced asking questions to the shopkeepers, and soon she felt more confident using English in public. Dining out sentences. I would like to order the pasta, please. Could you bring me a glass of water? What's the special for today? Can I get the bill, please? That was delicious, thank you. The next time Anna went out for dinner with her family, she practiced these sentences with the waiter. She found that the more she practiced, the more natural her English conversations became. Asking for directions. Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the library? Is there a bus stop near here? How far is the train station from here? Can you show me the way on this map? Thank you for your help. Anna practiced these sentences when she went for a walk around her neighborhood. She pretended to ask for directions and practiced what she would say in a real situation. Daily routine conversations. Anna also practiced sentences she could use in her daily routine. These were sentences she could say to her family, friends, or even strangers. I'm going to school now. What time will you be home? Let's have dinner together tonight. I need to study for my exam. Do you want to watch a movie with me? She practiced shadowing these sentences while getting ready for school, doing her homework, and spending time with her family. The benefits of shadowing. As the weeks passed, Anna noticed that her English speaking skills had improved a lot. She no longer felt nervous when speaking English, and she was able to respond more quickly in conversations. The shadowing technique helped her learn new words, practice correct pronunciation, and build confidence. Anna was excited to keep practicing, and she looked forward to using her English skills in even more situations. Conclusion. Through daily practice and the shadowing method, Anna improved her English speaking skills in a fun and effective way. She learned to use common daily sentences in real conversations and felt more confident speaking English with others. Anna realized that with consistent practice, anyone could improve their English speaking skills. Whether you are practicing alone or with a partner, shadowing conversations and repeating daily use sentences can help you become a more fluent English speaker. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be able to speak English with confidence just like Anna. In this video, we will focus on English speaking practice using daily use sentences that you can incorporate into your conversations. By practicing shadowing, you'll be able to improve your speaking skills, pronunciation, and confidence in using English in everyday situations. What is shadowing? Shadowing is a powerful technique for improving your English speaking abilities. In this method, you listen to a speaker and repeat what they say immediately after, copying their tone, speed, and pronunciation. By doing this regularly, you train your brain to think and respond quickly in English, and you become more comfortable speaking naturally. In this video, we'll use the shadowing method with common English sentences that are used in daily life. Whether you're a beginner or intermediate learner, this method can help you improve your fluency, accuracy, and confidence when speaking in English. Why practice daily use sentences? Daily use sentences are the building blocks of conversation. These are phrases you hear and use all the time in casual, professional, and everyday interactions. Practicing these sentences will help you respond more quickly in conversations, understand the natural rhythm of spoken English, improve pronunciation and intonation, build confidence in using English daily. This video includes simple sentences for greetings, asking questions, making requests, and other everyday interactions. By practicing these sentences through shadowing, you can gradually make them a natural part of your speech. Examples of daily use sentences you will learn. Here are some examples of sentences that we'll cover in this video. Basic greetings. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing great. Thank you. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Asking for help. Can you help me, please? I don't understand. Can you explain that again? Where is the nearest bus stop? Making requests. Can I have a glass of water, please? I would like to order a sandwich. Could you bring me the bill, please? Everyday conversations. I'm going to the store. Do you need anything? Let's meet at 3 o'clock tomorrow. I'm looking for a new book to read. By practicing these sentences, you'll be able to participate in everyday conversations with greater ease and fluency. Benefits of shadowing daily use sentences. Improves fluency. The shadowing technique allows you to practice speaking quickly and naturally. As you listen and repeat, you'll become more comfortable using common phrases and sentences. Develops listening skills. Shadowing requires you to listen closely to pronunciation, intonation, and word stress, which improves your listening comprehension. Boosts pronunciation. By mimicking native speakers, you'll learn how to pronounce words more clearly and accurately, helping you sound more natural when speaking. Builds confidence. With daily practice, you'll feel more confident using English in real-life situations. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to respond in English without hesitation. Incorporates real-life sentences. This video focuses on practical sentences that you can use in daily life. Whether you're talking to friends, ordering food, or asking for directions, these sentences will help you navigate English conversations smoothly. Who is this video for? This video is suitable for English learners at all levels, but it is especially helpful for beginners. If you're just starting to learn English, this video will give you the foundation you need for everyday conversations. Intermediate learners. If you already have some English skills, shadowing these daily sentences will help you improve your fluency and speaking speed. Anyone who wants to improve speaking skills, whether you're preparing for a job interview, traveling to an English-speaking country, or just looking to improve your English, shadowing daily use sentences is a great way to practice. How to use this video. Listen and repeat. As you watch the video, listen to each sentence carefully. Then, repeat the sentence out loud. Try to match the speed, tone, and pronunciation of the speaker as closely as possible. Practice regularly. Repetition is key to improvement. Try to practice shadowing these sentences for at least 10 to 15 minutes every day. The more you practice, the more natural these sentences will become in your speech. Practice with a partner. If possible, practice these sentences with a friend or a language partner. You can take turns asking and answering questions, making requests, and having conversations using the sentences from the video. Apply in real life. Once you've practiced shadowing these sentences, try to use them in real conversations. Whether you're at home, at work, or traveling, look for opportunities to practice speaking English in your daily life. Why consistent practice matters. Learning a language is all about consistency. The more you practice speaking English, the better you'll become. Shadowing daily use sentences is an effective way to build up your English skills because it mimics real-life conversation. By practicing consistently, you'll notice that speaking English becomes more automatic and less stressful. Final thoughts. Improving your English speaking skills is all about practice, and the shadowing technique is a proven method to help you get better. By following along with this video and practicing daily use sentences, you'll be able to improve your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence in speaking English. Whether you're preparing for a trip, a job, or just want to communicate more easily, this video will help you take your English speaking skills to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on English learning, speaking practice, and language tips. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who want to improve their English. Let's get started on your journey to becoming a more confident English speaker with daily use sentences and the shadowing technique.